You're most likely watching this video because you need to transport a vehicle and were referred to Alex Lopez and his team by one of the many premier dealerships they do business with from across the country. Alex and his team facilitate vehicle transports for dealerships and their customers and people they refer. Dealerships like the one that referred you trust Team Alex to take care of their customers with the same level of service they do. It's the team's goal to make every vehicle transport as smooth and seamless as possible. They do that by using only top-rated carriers and by providing service far above what is typical for the transport industry. In addition, Team Alex never charges hidden fees or deviates from the quote they give you. The quoted price is the price you'll be charged. With the backing of the broad shoulders of one of the nation's largest vehicle logistics companies, Ship Your Car Now, they take the worry out of shipping for you. This involves many behind-the-scenes steps, including verifying insurance for every single one of the 3,000 plus transports a month they do at this company. Alex and his team provide helpful information and create informative videos that help customers just like you understand the shipping process so you know what to expect. In an industry where automation and anonymity prevail and humans are no longer part of the transaction process, Team Alex brings actual people with old-school work ethics, integrity, and true customer service back into the picture. No matter who you choose to ship your vehicle, I urge you to do your homework. Check out companies with the Better Business Bureau and look them up on LinkedIn. You'll find Alex on LinkedIn with an astounding 10,000 plus followers. If you'd like to know more about the team, click the About Us link on this page. And when you're ready to transport your vehicle, simply go to the form below and click the button for Order Form to begin. Complete all the needed information and submit it. They'll take it from there. There's a reason dealerships use and recommend Alex and his team so highly. Because who you choose matters.
Alex Lopez and Team Alex are independent agents of Ship Your Car Now.